I'm going to tell you something your parents lied to you about. Saving money won't make you rich. In fact, it's making you poorer, right now, this second. Let me show you exactly how much money you're losing while you think you're being smart. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the middle class stays middle class and why the rich keep getting richer. But first, let me tell you about Subject 24/7. Subject 24/7. Let's call him Marcus. Marcus did everything right. Saved 20% of his paycheck every single month. Didn't eat out, didn't travel, drove a 15-year-old car. For 10 years, Marcus saved $180,000. He felt smart, disciplined, in control. Then he checked the real numbers. After inflation, his $180,000 had the buying power of $141,000. He lost $39,000 by doing nothing wrong. No, actually, he lost it by doing exactly what society told him to do. But Marcus's story gets worse, much worse. I'll show you what happened to him in a minute. First, you need to understand the machine that's eating your money. Here's what they don't teach you in school. Money is melting. Always. Right now, while you're watching this, the money in your savings account is worth less than it was when you clicked on this video. Inflation in the US? They tell you 3%. But let's look at the real numbers. Housing, up 47% in 5 years. Food, up 28% in 5 years. Education, up 180% in 20 years. You're not saving money. You're saving melting ice. And here's the part that'll make you angry. The system is designed this way. The Federal Reserve literally has a 2% inflation target. They want your money to lose value. Why? Because when your money melts, you have to work harder. You have to stay in the system longer. You have to stay obedient. The wealthy don't keep money in savings accounts. Let me show you the game they're playing. Rich person's portfolio. Savings account, 2% of wealth. Assets that grow, 98% of wealth. Average person's portfolio, savings account, 78% of wealth. Assets that grow, 22%. See the difference? The rich use money as a tool. You use it as a security blanket. And while you're cuddling with that blanket, it's slowly suffocating you. Remember Marcus? Here's what he did next, and it changed everything. Marcus woke up. He took that $180,000 and made a decision. He stopped saving, started investing, split the money. 40% into index funds, S&P 500, 30% to real estate, rental property, 20% his own business, 10% emergency fund. Yes, only 10%. 5 years later, that $180,000 became $467,000. Not from working harder, not from hustling, from understanding one simple truth. Money in motion beats money at rest. The real secret isn't just invest instead of save. That's surface level. That's what everyone's saying now. The real secret is this. The wealthy don't think in dollars, they think in assets. Let me break it down. Poor mindset is, I have $50,000 saved. Rich mindset is, I control $500,000 in assets with $50,000. It's called leverage. Example, $50,000 in savings equals $50,000 working for you. $50,000 as down payment on property equals $250,000 working for you. That property generates $2,000 a month equals $24,000 a year passive. Same $50,000, different game. The savers are playing checkers. The wealthy are playing chess. And there's one more move the wealthy make that most people never discover. This one's brutal. Here's the move that separates the rich from everyone else. They use debt as a weapon. I know what you're thinking. Debt is bad. Dave Ramsey said, stop. There are two types of debt. Bad debt buys things that lose value. Credit cards for clothes, car loans for depreciating vehicles, anything that makes you poorer. Good debt buys things that make money, business loans that generate profit, real estate mortgages that others pay off, renters, equipment that increases production. The poor avoid all debt. The middle class drowns in bad debt. The rich leverage good debt. Real example. Buy a $300,000 rental property. Your down payment is $60,000. The bank's money is $240,000. Your tenant pays the mortgage $2,000 a month. Your profit after expenses is $400 a month. You're making money on the bank's money. That's the game. So what do you do now? 3 steps right now, today. Step 1, calculate your melt rate. How much are you losing to inflation? Take your savings, multiply by 0.03. That's your annual loss. Minimum, probably more. Step 2, move 80% out of savings, not into random stocks, into low-cost index funds, set and forget, real estate, directly or REITs, or your own skills, courses, business, side hustle. Keep 20% liquid for emergencies. That's it. Step 3, learn 1 new money skill per month. Month 1, understand index funds. Month 2, research real estate basics. Month 3, study tax strategies. Month 4, learn about business structures. Stop saving, start building. Your parents taught you to save because that's what worked in their world, but their world is gone. In their time, a savings account paid 5 to 8% interest. In your time, 0.5%. The game changed, the rules changed, but most people are still playing the old game. Saving money won't make you rich, but understanding money, building systems, taking calculated risks, that's how you win. The choice is simple. Keep melting your money in a savings account or start playing the real game. This is Titan logic. The machine doesn't care about your feelings, but you can learn to use the machine.